Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to present my AI coded application. Let's jump to the login page and enter the demo credentials given at the bottom of the screen. Now we are on the dashboard, and we can see active clients, pending documents, employee utilization, and revenue for the month. After that, we can see monthly performance bar chart, document categories pie chart, employee performance summary, and at the last we can see the quick actions like add client, view documents, generate report, and send message. Now, we will see detailed monthly performance chart in full screen, where we can see the month-wise number by simply clicking the bars. We can also export this chart. Let's move on to the document categories chart, where also we can see the categorized details in full screen. And also we can export this chart same as bar chart. We can see employee summary by scrolling below, and get the employee-wise dashboard by simply clicking on employee name. In the employee dashboard we can see daily productivity. It includes the tasks, time taken in hours, FSNCT percentage. By scrolling downwards, we can see the documents assigned to the particular employee. We can see company name, document due date, its status like pending and complete. For example, the first is the GST document of Tech Solution Inc., which is in progress. Employee can start the activity by simply swiping left. The same way we can reassign the task by swiping right, and by pressing the confirm button. Employee can upload the document by simply clicking the image or upload it from the file explorer. For that application need the permission to access the DivC image, audio, and data. Also, it requires to select the document type. We can add comment manually with regard to document and some other internal remarks. At last we can set priority level like low, medium, high, and urgent. By submitting the document it goes directly to the database and we can see it in the dashboard section. In the employee dashboard, we can see pending task, completed task, and activity level. Just below that we can see document status overview topic-wise. Coming to the client tab we can see client name, number of documents uploaded, last activity timing, stats, and message. By selecting client name, we can see the client's pending document, completed task, and activity level, document status overview. Next is Employee tab, which we have already explored in the earlier part along with Dashboard. Most important tab for our firm and human resource team is Analytics tab, which shows productivity trend. It can also be seen in full screen view where we can see week-wise productivity and can be exported for detailed review purpose. The other two charts are already discussed along with the Dashboard section in the earlier part. And the last tab is Settings for the application, which includes profile, security, notifications, user management and other it related features. Thank you so much for sparing your time to see my presentation.